Guys, so proud of you guys. That's great. This is why we do yoga.
You kind of shamed us on Instagram.
Did I? What did I say?
You don't come.
What did I say?
But
No, I just said you gotta let go of expectations, you know? Like, you gotta, like, feel like, you know, there's no such thing as perfect conditions, you know? Go. Everyone always says go with the flow. Well, go with the flow. It's not lightning. We're okay.
what's the guy?
Yeah. Oh, it feels so good. Alright, so let's sit up straight. Close your eyes. Just enjoy your environment. Breathing in the fresh, cool air. And again, just, you know, let go of expectations. Just practice being in the moment, embracing it. Take a few more slow breaths. And remember, as always, you make this practice what it is that you're needing for this evening. You know, it's always different. Some days you just need to work it out, and other days you just need to take it easy. So just honor that. Breathe in. And breathe out. Then inhale, take your arms up, big stretch. And exhale, hands to your heart center. Inhale, take it straight back up. Exhale, open wide. Inhale, take your arms up. Exhale, hands to your heart center. And inhale, take your arms up, some side stretches. Bring the left hand down, stretch over to your left and like press into your hand. Stretch through the fingertips. And inhale, come all the way up, take it right over to the other side. Stretch. One more time each way. Again, take it over. And then to the other side. And come on up straight. Let's take a twist to your left. So lengthen your spine, twist. And untwist, take it over to the other side. One more time each way. And to the other side. Nice, and come to center. Let's go and come forward onto your hands and your knees into your tabletop. Move through some cat-cows, get into your whole entire spine. One more full extension and flexion. Neutral spine, push your rib cage over to the right, so side flexions. And then to the left. And then to the right. And to the left. Now start to take it in a full circle, so push it down, push it over to the right, push it up, to the left. Keep going. and then reverse it. And then coming back into your neutral spine. So again, inhale, lengthen the spine and look up. Exhale, tuck your tailbone, tuck your chin. Sit back towards your heel as you're flexing your spine. Then come forward, take it right into your extension. Pull your chest forward, look up. And again, so sit back. And come forward. And then you're going to start to take a deeper start to bring your hips down to the mat. As you come forward. Thighs down, hips down, take it into extension, push it back, sit back to the heel. Just do a few of those. Just a couple more. And then next time you land in child's pose, just stay in your child's pose. Press into your hands and really stretch it back, like get your sitting bones all the way down to the heels. So you feel a nice little lower back release. Peyton's coming! I think he's wearing his swimming trunks. Awesome. Alright, come on up onto your hands, knees, tuck your toes, lift up, downward facing dog. Walk it out. Now from your downward facing dog, again, lift your heels up and wave your spine forward into your full plank, but keep coming forward, bring the hips down, take it right into your up dog. And exhale, take it back into your downward facing dog. Again, just do that a few times. You know, it may take you a few times to kind of get into the roll of it. Go for it. One more time. And downward facing dog. Lift your heels up, bend your knees, really flex your toes, gaze between your thumbs, and walk your feet up to your hands. Inhale, lift up just halfway. Exhale, fold. Inhale, rise all the way up. Exhale, hands to your heart center. Inhale, sweep your arms up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, rise all the way up. Exhale, hands to your heart center. Cross your left ankle behind your right. Inhale, take your arms up, grab onto your left wrist, lengthen up and stretch over to the right. Bump your hips out. Inhale, come on all the way up and switch. Grab onto your right wrist, lengthen up and stretch over to the left.
How about your dog?
And come all the way up. Take your hands to your lower back. That's to your sacrum. Inhale, lift your chest, and exhale, look up, look back. Inhale, lift your chest higher, look back. And slowly come all the way up. Inhale, take your arms up, reach up, and exhale, fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, set your hands flat on the mat. step it back or float it back, lower right into your chaturanga. Inhale to your upper facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale. Exhale completely. And then step or hop up to your hands. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, rise all the way up. Exhale, hands to your heart center. Inhale, sweep your arms up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Set your hands flat on the mat. Set your hands flat on the mat. This might be a good opportunity to start practicing your slide mats, you guys. Your mats are wet. Alright, set your hands flat on the mat. Get your hands flat. Okay, start to bring weight forward. So you can lift your heels up. Bend your knees just a little bit so you can start to slide your feet back. I don't know, depending on how slippery your mats are. Lower right to your chaturanga. Inhale into your upper facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, take your right leg up and stack your right up on top of your left. Bend your knee, bring your left arm down to the mat. Gazing under your right arm. Nice. Keep that open hip. Just come up onto your left hand. Keep the hip opened up. Then pull the knee into your chest. Step the foot up right inside your right hand. Inhale, take your arms up, crescent lunge. Lift the right heel up. Lift your chest. Lift your back thigh. Bend the right knee even more. Exhale, hands down to the mat. Step the foot back, lower chaturanga. Inhale, upper facing. Exhale, downward facing. Inhale, take your left leg up and stack your left hip. Bend your knee. Bring your right arm down to the mat. And come back up into your three-legged dog. Pull the knee into your chest. Step your foot up right inside your hand. Inhale, reach arms up, crescent lunge. Lift the left heel up. Lift your chest. Lift your right thigh. One more breath, reach back. Exhale, hands down to the mat. Step the foot back, lower chaturanga. Inhale, upper facing. Exhale, downward facing. Get your thumbs together. Inhale. Exhale completely. At the end of your exhale, step or hop up to your hands. Malasana squat. Get those heels down. Lift your chest. Set your left hand down, twist to the right. Set the right hand down, twist to your left. One more time each way. Set it down, twist to your right. Set the right hand down, twist to your left. Come to center. Hands flat. Hop your feet together for your first crow bakasana. Knees way up into your onto your upper arms. Gaze forward, press into your fingertips, lift your feet. Belly button up to your spine, elbows hugging in. One more breath. And then float it back, chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing. Exhale, downward facing. Inhale, kick your right leg up. Exhale, knee into your chest. Step your foot up right inside your hand. Inhale, reach arms up. Crescent lunge. Lift the right heel up. Grab onto your left wrist. Lengthen up and stretch over to the right. Inhale, come all the way up. Take your right arm back. Left arm straight ahead. Inhale, take the left arm up, riding into your back leg. Lift your chest. Bend the right knee. Keep the right heel lifted. Exhale, elbow to the outside of your knee. Press your left hand down. Spin your back heel flat, open eye wide for warrior two. As you inhale, take both arms up, straighten out the front leg. And exhale, bend the right knee. Just 2 more times. Inhale, take it up. And exhale. 1 more time. And bend. Lift the right heel up again, you put it down. 1 more breath. Exhale, hands down to the front of your mat. Lift the foot back. Lower chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing. Exhale, downward facing. Inhale, pick your left leg up. Exhale, knee to your chest, step it up. Inhale, crescent lunge. Again, lift the left heel up. Grab onto your right wrist, lengthen up and stretch over to the left. Inhale, come on up and twist to your left. Take the right arm up, left hand to your back leg. And exhale, elbow to the outside of your knee. Press your right hand down. Spin your back heel flat, open wide for warrior 2. And as you inhale, straighten out your left leg. Arms reaching up and bend the left knee. Warrior 2. Again, inhale, reach up. Exhale, bend. Inhale, reach it up. Exhale, bend. You have to get something. Bend the left knee even more. Lift the heel up even higher. 1 more breath. Exhale, hands down to the mat. Lift the foot back. Lower chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing. Exhale, downward facing. And inhale. Exhale completely. At the end of your exhale, step or hop up to your hands for another Bakasana. So set it up however you need to set it up. Alright, feet together, maybe feet separated, maybe ankles crossed, so whatever works. Alright, knees onto your triceps, gaze ahead, press into your fingertips, pull the belly and pull your pelvic floor up too, and really hug your elbows in, like biceps forward as much as you can. Nice, you guys. Beautiful, float it back, chaturanga. Nice. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, take the right leg up. Exhale, pull the knee into your chest. Step your foot up right inside your hand. Inhale, take your arms up, crescent lunge, lift the right heel. Twist to the right. Inhale, take the left arm up, right hand to your back leg. Exhale, elbow to the outside of your knee, bring the palms together, press your bottom hand down. Spin your back heel flat, open wide for warrior 2. Inhale, turn the palms up and exalted warrior. Exhale for your extended side. So your choice, elbow to your thigh, hand down to the mat, maybe taking a bind. Two more breaths, see if you can really get into the left side. And rise all the way back up into your warrior 2. Exhale, hands down to the front of your mat. Your vinyasa. One more breath. Now inhale, kick your left leg up. Exhale, knee into your chest. Step your foot up right inside your hand. Inhale, take your arms up, crescent lunge. So see if you can lift the left heel up, just work your calves and work your toes. Exhale, twist, take the left arm back. Inhale, take the right arm up, left hand to your back leg. So lift your chest. And exhale right over to the outside of your knee. Keep pushing the knee out to the left. Keep lengthening your spine. Nice. Spin your back heel flat. Take your arms out wide for warrior two. Inhale, turn the palms up and exalted warrior. Take your left arm and reach it back. Reach through the fingertips. Nice. Come back into your warrior two. Reach it out to the left for your extended side. So whatever you did on the other side, same version here. You may not feel the same, might not look the same, but it's okay. One more breath. And then rise all the way up. Hands to the front of your mat. Move through your vinyasa, your choice, however you want to get there. And we're going to do one more bakasana. So at the end of your exhale, walk, step, or float it up to your hands and set up however you need to for your bakasana. See everyone, yeah, get your feet way up in the air, you guys. Look fantastic. Breathe, gaze forward, stay focused. Press into your fingertips as you go forward. One more breath. Float it back, chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing. Exhale, downward facing. Inhale, kick your right leg up. Exhale, pull the knee into your chest. Inhale, kick it straight up. Exhale, knee to your right tricep. You have options, chaturanga or arm balance. We're going to keep the knee there, keep the knee there, keep the knee there. Good, kick it straight back up, three-legged dog. Exhale, knee to your left tricep. Again, keep it there, take an arm balance if you want to. Inhale, kick it straight back up, nice. Exhale, pull your knee into your chest. Step your foot up right inside your right hand. Inhale, take your arms up, crescent lunge. Twist to the right. Inhale, take your left arm up right into your back leg. Exhale, elbow to the outside of your knee. Press your bottom hand down. Gaze down front of the right foot. You can come forward, lift the back leg up. Keep the right knee bent. Squeeze your glute. You can step it all the way back again. Open wide for warrior two. Inhale, turn your palms up, reverse exalted warrior. So actually reverse triangle, straighten out the right leg. And exhale, reach it out to the right for your triangle. Trikonasana. Come all the way back up into reverse warrior. So bend the right knee, reach the right arm back. Going for a half moon, Ardha Chandrasana, so reach it out to the right. Either the hand comes down or maybe it doesn't come down at all. Float your left leg up, half moon, Ardha Chandrasana. Really engage your left leg. Come all the way back into your warrior two. Come into your crescent lunge. Arms stay by your ears, lean forward over your thigh, float your back leg up. Lift upper chest so you're not like punching forward. Nice. One more breath here. Exhale, hands down to the mat. Hop the right foot back a little bit. And just a one little hop as you float it right back into your chaturanga. So it's just kick it up, float the right leg back. Chaturanga. Inhale into your upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, kick your left leg back. Exhale, knee to your chest. Inhale, kick it back. Exhale, knee to your left arm. So stay here, keep the knee there. You're going for your arm balance possibly. Take it straight back up, three-legged dog. Exhale, knee to your right tricep. touch that arm or go for your arm balance. Take it straight back up. Pull your knee into your chest. Step it up. Inhale, crescent lunge. Twist to the left. Inhale, take the right arm up, left hand to your back leg. Exhale, elbow to the outside of your knee. Keep opening up the knee towards your pinky toe. Stay in your twist. Now gaze down in front of your left foot. Brace your core, lean forward, lift the right leg up. Step it all the way back again. Open wide for warrior two. Inhale, reverse triangle. Exhale, reach it out to the left for triangle. Trikonasana. On your next inhale, bend the left knee, exalted warrior. Exhale, half moon, Ardha Chandrasana. Step it all the way back, warrior two. Right into the crescent. Keep your arms right where they are, lean forward, float your right leg up again. Warrior three. Set your hands down to the mat. Again, it's just one little hop, you guys. So you just kick the right leg forward, but just slide the left foot back. So it's just float it back, chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing. Exhale, downward facing. Inhale, kick your right leg back. Exhale, pull your knee to your chest. Step your foot up right inside your right hand. Set your left knee down. All right, grab onto your left foot with your right hand. If that doesn't, if you're not able to, just bring both hands to your right thigh.
Oh no!
So you really kick that foot out into your hand. Kick it out. So you're giving yourself a little bit of spinal extension here. Now you're going to release it. Push hips back, straighten out the front leg. Kind of roll from inner heel to outer heel. And then find the tightest band and hold it there. Keep your upper chest lifted and push your sitting bones back. So anterior tilt your pelvis, pushing your hip bones towards your thighs. Now bend the right knee, either both hands to your right thigh again or left hand grabbing onto your left foot. Push your hips back to the foot, square your shoulders. This time you're pulling the foot in to the hip, but giving a little bit of resistance, but kick the foot back into your hand. Take the right arm up. Bend the right knee even more. And release. Lift the left knee up, walk hands over to the left. Sitting to the right heel, lift your chest, set the right hand down, twist to your left. Take a bind if you want to take a bind, or maybe just a half bind where you take the left arm around your lower back. And let go, take it right over to the other side, so glide over to the other side. You're going to set the left hand down, twist to the right. And if you take a bind or half bind, come to center, parallel your feet. Inhale, lift your upper chest, lengthen your spine, and exhale, fold, crown of your head down. Taking your hands behind your ankles, pushing your ankles forward. trying to run away.
It was more of a slow stroll.
Right, just wandering. Alright, those of you that want to do the headstand or anything like that, maybe an arm balance. Awesome, you guys. And then slowly bring your feet back down. Inhale, lift up halfway, bring your hands to your hips, squeeze shoulder blades together. Slightly bend your knees, bring the weight into your heels. Squeeze your butt, and then rise all the way up. Turn the right toes out to the right. Take your arms out wide. Reach it up for triangle one more time. Trikonasana. So reach, reach, reach. Lean your upper chest back. From here, taking it right into your half moon, Ardha Chandrasana. So bend the right knee, walk your right hand forward, float your left leg up. Stay here or bend the left knee, grabbing onto your foot with your left hand and kick the foot into your hand. Nice, guys. Nice. Release your foot if you have it. Come back into your warrior two. Right into your crescent lunge. Right. Set your left hand down, twist to the right. Stay here, bend the left knee, grab onto your foot with your right hand. Kick the foot out. Release your foot, set both hands down. Lift up your chest. And exhale, bend the left knee, or bend both your knees, bring the left knee to the outside of your right calf. So you can keep the hands down or bring your hands to your heart center. You're gonna kick it straight back. Straighten both your legs. Again, bend both your knees. Exhale, kick it back. Bend it. Kick back. Two more. Bend. Kick back. One more time. Bend. Kick it back. Now this time we're going to go ahead and come all the way down. So set your shin down. Have a seat. So the foot is on the outside of your other side of your left knee. Take the right arm back. Take your left arm up and twist. So keep that rooting that right sitting bone down. Lift your chest and twist. Some of you may be able to take a bind here. Nice. Some of you may want to try that arm balance from here. So maybe you may just want to hang out here in this awesome twist. Bring everything out. Nice, you guys. And then wherever you are, you want everyone going slowly untwist. Swing the right leg back. Step it back into your full plank. Brace your core. Lower into your chaturanga. Push it straight back up. Lower into your chaturanga. Push it straight up. Just one more. Chaturanga. Push it straight up. Downward facing dog. Now inhale, take your left leg back. Exhale, pull the knee into your chest. Step your foot up right inside your hand. Inhale, crescent lunge. Exhale, take your left arm back, right arm straight ahead. Inhale, right arm up, left hand to your back leg. Exhale, right elbow to the outside of your knee. Press your bottom hand down. Spin your back heel flat, open wide for warrior two. Inhale, reverse triangle. And reach it out to the left for triangle. up into your warrior two. Exhale, hands down to the front of your mat. Set the right knee down. So, you know me. I never remember one side to the other. So go ahead and walk your right knee out to the right, bend the right knee, grab the foot. Kick it out. Again, really kick the foot into your hand. Lift your chest. And release it. Push hips back to straighten out your left leg. Again, just to find the tightest band of your hamstrings, just kind of roll inner and outer heel. And then find that tight band and hold it.
I like that little body.
We should stay with his count. Alright, bend the left knee, grab onto your right foot, or bring both hands to your knee again. And release it. So lift the right knee up, walk hands over to the right side. This time just keep your feet parallel with each other and going from side to side. Again, you still want to anterior tilt your pelvis, so getting deeper into your inner thigh and your groin. And while we're here, let's go ahead and go for the great shoulder stretch. So bend the right knee. Alright, grab the ankle. So you may need to kind of walk your feet a little bit closer together to do this. Grab your right ankle with your left hand. Right knee's bent right now. Walk your right hand forward. So you got a figure four with your arms. Now hold on to the ankle, but bend the left knee. And release it. So keep the left knee bent, grab onto your left ankle with your right hand, walk your right hand forward, and then bend the right knee. And come center, lift upper chest, and exhale, fold crown of your head down to the mat. Again, let's keep playing, you know, headstand, maybe arm balance, whatever you want to do. Or stay for the awesome stretch, you know, it's a great way to get into those hips and lengthen your spine. You're also inverted here as well, even if your head isn't on the mat. Nice, you guys. Awesome. And slowly bring your feet down. Inhale, lift up halfway. And hands on your hips. Squeeze the shoulder blades together so elbows pointing up so you can feel your upper back engagement. Slightly bend your knees. Bring the weight into your heels. Squeeze your glutes. And then rise up. Turn the left toes out to your left. Take your arms out wide again. One more time. Triangle. Reach it out. Trikonasana. From here, right into your half moon. So gaze far in front of your left foot. Lift your right leg up. The left hand is either down or maybe it's not. Stay there or bend the right knee. Grab onto your right foot.
Oh, shit. What are you going to do?
Kick it out. Release your foot if you have it. Step it all the way back into your warrior two. Coming into your crescent lunge. Lean forward, float your back leg up, warrior three. Set the right hand down, twist to your left. Stay there or bend the right knee, grab onto your foot with your left hand, kick the foot out. Roll your left shoulder back, open up. Stop resisting, relax your jaws. Breathe into it. Nice, release your foot if you have it. Set both your hands down, lift up your chest. So again, your choice whether keeping the hands down or hands to your heart center. Bring them, set the right knee to the outside of your left calf. Kick it straight back, both legs straight. Bend both your knees. Kick it straight back. Bend, so big curtsy. Kick it back. 2 more times. And then this time, come all the way down, have a seat. Bring the left hand behind you, lift your chest, take the right arm up and hook your elbow to the outside. So just breathe here, you guys. Breathe in, lengthen your spine. Breathe out, twist. Breathe in, open up. Breathe out, twist. Let it out. Those are rebinding, take your bind. Those should be taking our balance, taking our balance. And then slowly untwist. Swing the left leg back, come into your full plank. Try getting your feet a little bit out wider, shoulder taps. So remember, you're doing this without the hips shifting all over the place. Try to be as still as you can. Next time your left hand is down, go ahead and take it right into your side plank. So reach the right arm up. Any modification you want to grab onto your right foot, maybe bend the knee, grab the foot with your right hand, kick it back for another heart opener, for another chest opener. Breathe. One more breath. Now everyone, lift the right leg up, step it back behind you for a wild thing. Alright, sit it low, and then push it up, wild thing. Back, come into your three-legged dog. Three-legged plank. Take your left arm straight ahead. Set the left heel down, left hand behind your head, right knee, left elbow. Kick it out. Together, kick it out. Together, kick it out. Keep going. Two more. And full plank, lower chaturanga, inhale up dog, exhale downward facing. Set your elbows down to the mat, push your chest to your thighs, walk your feet in as much as you can, gaze between your thumbs, lift one leg up. Don't you without a kick up into forearm stand. Do that. If I'm going to come spot you up, be happy. Just give me a little wave. Squeeze your legs together. Come on on down, child's pose, rest. Good, coming into downward facing dog. Come to full plank. Again, shoulder taps, side to side. Next time the right hand is down, take it right to your side plank. Take your left arm up. Again, your modifications, however you want to modify. And then everyone step the left foot back behind you for the wild thing. Lift your dog. And back into your three-legged dog. Spin the right heel down. Take the right hand behind your head. Bring your right elbow, left knee together. Oh, you can set the left knee down too in between. All right. One more. Go to your full plank. Lower chaturanga. Lower all the way down to your belly. Take your arms at your sides. Lift everything up. So lift your chest, lift your legs. And come on down. Now take your arms forward like into a Y shape. And your legs, your feet are slightly separated as well, like to the edges of your mat. And lift everything up. Lift the arms, lift your legs. Bend your knees, grab for your feet. Roll your shoulders back, kick up, kick back. And come on down. Rest. Set the hands next to your chest. Inhale into your cobra or to your upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing. Take the right leg up and set the right knee down for a pigeon. Walk your left leg back. So get into your pigeon and then just hang out there. Relax your jaws. sit up straight. Walk your left leg back even more, sit up straight. And either stay there or bend the left knee, grabbing onto your left foot. And release. Set your hands down, kick your right leg up, three-legged dog. Stack your right hip on top of your left. Those of you that want to flip your dog to the foot. Nice. And back into your three-legged dog. Vinyasa or stay in your downward facing. Inhale, kick your left leg back. Exhale, set your left knee down, pigeon. Walk hands up, sit up straight. Walk your right leg back even more. And then feel free to grab onto your right foot if you like. And release it. Kick your left leg up. Three-legged dog. Stack your left hip on top of your right. Bend your knee. Those of you flipping, do your flip. And everyone back in your three-legged dog. Again, your vinyasa choice. And at the end of your next exhale, step or jump through, have a seat, lie onto your back. Hug your knees into your chest. And then take into happy baby. Cross your right leg over your left. Take your arms out wide and lower the knees over to the right side. Inhale, bring your knees up. Take your left knee over your right and twist to the left.
How do you think it's a value to having through the electoral college, having to appeal to a wider area of people? For instance, you really rack up a lot of votes, but then you might not have any appeal in all these little states of the country. That's kind of what the electoral college is. I have something.
And bring your knees up, extend your legs out, or find your Shavasana position. Close your eyes.